Get him, Dallas. Oh! Oh!
Damn stood.
That's a tank. He was like barely hooked too, Dallas. It's just dragging him. I mean, it looks great.
Oh, giant.
Where?
Right here.
Oh my God.
It's on a bed, dude. It's on a bed. Damn it. We got too close to it. We can catch that fish. It's on a bed.
Yeah. Alright. Let's get the Neds out, brother. I'm gonna Ned Rick him. Sparky, how you standing on that floor, dude? I know that.
He's right under that log, so he's gonna get hung.
Oh, he sees it. He swam off, but he'll come back.
Oh, he'll come back. He's gonna be. We just don't need to be close to him. But it's an easy bed to see. He's got it fanned out good.
Oh, dude, he's on my Ned Rick. He wants it. He wants it. Oh, he's swimming towards yours. I need a little more weight. Oh, dude, I think he just... Oh, dude, he almost ate mine. He was on mine. He wants a little Ned, I'm telling you. He's gonna eat the Ned, bro. Watch this. Look at the thing right in there. Yeah. Right there.
Come on back. I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it.
He's getting pissed now. He's gonna end up just smacking one in a minute. He's gonna be like, alright, I'm tired of this. Watch it. Oh, I'm right in his bed, dude. I'm right in his bed.
Not often it takes this long for a smallmouth to get aggravated.
Somebody might have done caught him.
That's usually don't matter. Pretty aggressive.
Think you hit a spinnerbait?
No. I don't know why he won't come back to the bed. There he comes.
He sees mine, doesn't he?
He won't get but directly below it. And there he went. Sometimes you can smack him, but not him.
I'm trying to get aggressive with him with this one.
There he comes. Here he goes. He goes.
Oh, dang it, dude. I just did, oh my gosh, dude. He's gonna smack it. Look, he got so pissed at it.
Oh, he come over on the bed. Yeah, he's mad now. Here he comes. Right back. You pissed him off now.
I done stung him a little bit. He's like, alright, now I'm done with this. He likes it kind of aggressive, I think. He kind of rolled up on mine. Okay, my drag is good. Oh! He broke you? Dude, didn't this happen to us last year right here? I swear it did. Is he having his mouth?
Deja vu, I guarantee it. He broke it clean.
Oh yeah, he's acting weird now, bro. We might catch him.
He broke it at the knot. The knot broke. Look, I still got the knot.
Yeah, he's acting weird now, man. We did this last year on this exact same log, I swear to God.
He may spit that out because I never really got any pressure.
He'll hit again, though, just because he's pissed. This guy, he is not having it, dude.
Smoke that shit. Yeah, he's sitting right on my bed now. He's mad. He's mad. He He don't have that thing in his mouth.
Look, he's about to eat mine. He's about to eat.
He's bit it. He didn't get it in his mouth. That's a good one.
Oh, that's a good one, dude. That's a good one. Oh, he is a, oh my gosh. He's a fighter, man. Done pissed him off. Oh. Alright. Get back. Get back, Sparky. Get back. Get back. Go on, boy. This dog is crazy about fishing, let me tell you what. Oh. Oh. Dude. Oh. That was cool.
Alright, let's see what you got there.
Oh. Oh, I broke my Ned.
Broke your Ned.
That's the thin ones, too.
Yeah.
Hey, will you hand me the pliers, man? Hold on. Yeah. I'm gonna need them. No! Oh, boy.
Look how spotted up. Because she's spawning, she's all stretched out. Alright, turn around.
Dude, I see her. She's right here. Yep, she's right in front of us. She sees us now. She sees us. She's done. I got too close. She looking at it?
She's looking at it now.
You got her? Alright.
Drop that bait.
Smash! Woo!
Yeah!
Oh my gosh, dude! Holy crap! Oh, this thing. Oh, you smoked her. The beast, dude. This net. Freaking RS net. Tell us about your fish, man.
Oh, okay, yeah. So,
I mean, I wasn't looking.
Ain't nothing to it other than we stayed very persistent. Had to on a fish like that.
That's our first drum musky too.
Yeah, we wasn't even going to stop at this spot. I just said, you know, we started seeing a lot of grass in this particular spot, which is obviously early for this time of year, but said, you know, the flow and the grass in there and everything, let's stop, put the drone up. Water's clear enough, let's see what we can see. Immediately found one, so we started, you know, we trolled up to it, started casting on it, and within, I think, a few casts, she ate and immediately dropped the bait. You know, I wasn't even prepared at all, and missed the fish, and made a couple more casts. She still seemed very interested, seemed like she didn't get stung, so we stayed on her and kept on trying to get above her. And
I really hope I got it on the drone. Well, I got the first eat.
Definitely got the first eat on the drone, but don't know about the second eat.
Yeah.
But you know, persistence pays off. We stayed on her, and she finally got aggravated, and she ate. She come out of nowhere. Hunter was trying to find the fish at the time. We
knew the general vicinity she was in. I'm not sure. She might have been in the picture. I'll have to go back and look.
She just kind of come up from out of nowhere. I couldn't even really tell you what direction she come in. She hit it so hard. She just come out of nowhere and ate it, just like a muskie will do. Just smashed it.
Oh, well, let's head down river.
Let's do it.